So this week's word of the week for week number 35 is superset. Now superset is defined as performing 2 exercises back to back with little to no time in between. An example of a superset would be performing a bench press, then squatting right after. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 9 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, sumo squats. Number 3, Russian twist. And number 4, the dreaded burpees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 9, these are the 4 exercises you're gonna do. Number 1, as I mentioned, was X's. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is hop right in place, and then you're gonna put your feet together, moving forward like this, and then you're gonna open your feet up again like you're making a letter X. So again, together, open. So it's gonna look like this in full motion. You're gonna go hop, together, hop, together. So you're gonna go back and forth, okay, making that X. Second, sumo squat. So instead of doing a regular squat, which is feet shoulder width apart, you're actually gonna go a little bit wider than your shoulders, okay? And you're gonna drop your bottom, nice and low. All right, so we got those sumo squats. Then we got Russian twist, so we're gonna go down to our mats if you have one. If not, that's okay. What you're gonna do is slightly elevate your torso, your hands, you're gonna go and touch together the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're just gonna go back and forth, okay? That's Russian twist. And the dreaded burpee, yes. You guys knew it was coming sooner or later, okay? So if you do not know how to do a burpee, this is how I will step it out for you, okay? You can do this. First, you're gonna go ahead and pop your feet out. Again, you can do this in steps. You're gonna go down into a push-up-like position. So you're gonna place your hands going forward. Don't turn your wrist. As I mentioned, that could actually ruin your wrist. So go down, you're gonna kick your feet out, okay? Bring your feet in, and then jump up, okay? That's a burpee. Now this is how it looks facing you guys. Just go this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna step it out just so you can see it. Hands go down, feet go out, feet go in, and jump, okay? If you wanna make that more challenging, which it's just a recommendation, you guys can do it in one motion. So go down, feet out, pop your feet in, and jump. All right, so get ready to go. We'll start this Fast 5 workout in just a moment. We are starting in 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys have some chalk, you can make that. 2 circles up top, 1 in the middle, 2 circles on the bottom. If you have tape, you can do that as well. Heart rate climbing. All right, sumo squats with those feet up and go. Squat. And wider than your shoulders. As low as you can. Your legs are gonna feel really tight. Woo! Good job. Keep the work, my friends. Finish. Wherever you start in life, finish it. All right, getting down those Russian twist. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Number tap each side. Nice and slow. Try to keep your feet elevated and as straight as possible. Try not to hit the floor. Side to side. All right, let's go for the burpees. All right, so love you tomorrow. You did a push up one. Step, step. Show you the step up point. For the next round, I'll go into the pool. This is probably the least favorite exercise of anyway. All right, 1 minute break. I've yet to hear one person who says, absolutely love burpees. Haven't heard it. You know somebody? Drop a comment below, that's pretty awesome. Mr. Garcia, I'm a 50-50 on it. Some days I'll want to pop up and do it. Other days, not so much. Again, use this 1 minute break. Catch your breath, get some water. 30 more seconds. All right. Yeah, we're gonna start with number 1, X's. 2 sumo squats, 3 Russian twists, 4 burpees this time. I'm gonna add that push up into my burpee. Again, you guys go at your own pace, whatever you feel comfortable with. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Go. Remember, just finished. Don't quit. This is our last round. You got it. Come on. Do more reps than you did the first time. All right, sumo squats, let's go, wider. Remember to breathe. Let's get down, Russian twist. 2 more guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side. Don't quit on me, just finish, let's go. Work hard. All right, let's go, burpees, last one. Everything you got. Woo. Everything you got. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. What was your biggest challenge for this workout? What was your favorite exercise for this workout? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. What exercises you would like to see, drop them down in the comment section. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a game called Builders and Bulldozers. I hope you guys stay tuned and we'll see you soon. All right, so for this game, you're only gonna need 5 water bottles. Just make sure they're empty, and you're gonna have them upright just like so. Builders, what you're gonna do is have everything standing. Those are called builders, and the bulldozers are gonna knock them over. So everything's gonna be standing up first, and then we're gonna become bulldozers, knock them over, and then we're gonna use only our foot to build it back up. The goal of this is to try to do it as quickly as possible. It seems easy, but it's actually harder than it looks. So stay tuned and watch me try out builders and bulldozers. All right, so I'm gonna do the 1 minute builder and bulldozer challenge. So make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get things going. Ready and start. Knock it out with my foot. Again, using my feet. I'm gonna try to pick it up. Ah! Almost got it. Jordan? Too hard.
Timer done.
And final score, 0. Let's see how Jordan does. Stay tuned. All right, so Jordan's gonna participate in builders and bulldozers. As a reminder, you must be the bulldozer first, knock them over, build it up with your foot only. All right, Jordan's gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Knock them all down, now it's time to pick them up. Nice and slow. Remember, my final score was 0. Jordan's hoping to get at least 1 to be the victor over this activity. Again, it's all about doing your best, trying your hardest. You almost got it. Very close. We're at 25 seconds. Oh, almost, so close. Way to help you. Definitely do that. Oh, so close. We're at 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time is up. If you look, Jordan had 1 up, so therefore he wins this challenge. In 1 minute, he was able to get 1 of his water bottles up. So, I hope you guys enjoyed.